Hello everyone, welcome to MATLAB programming course. In this part, I'm going to show you how we can create bigger vectors from existing vectors. So for example, you have some sort of existing vectors or existing data from one sample and the other one also. You want to join them together. How we're going to do that? Let me define two new vectors, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 and 6 again. Okay, this is going to be A, and the B is going to be 3, 6 minus 1, 8, 2, 8, 2, 7, 1. Okay, so we created two different vectors which are not the same length as well. And then I define vector 1 equals. So I would say A, and I want to extract from the third element up to fifth element. So let's go 3 to 5th, third to the 5th. Okay, if I do that, vector 1 is created. How about vector 2? Vector 2 is going to be equal to B, but starting from 2 up to 7. Okay, so I created a new vector which is extracted a part of the vector B as this one. So you know that vector 1 and vector 2 are created, they're part of other vectors, there's some sort of new data, and we're going to combine them together into a new vector. The way that you're going to do that is to call vector 3. So vector 3 is created. Now I put vector 1, comma, vector 2. If I do that, look what happens. MATLAB creates a new vector which is bigger, and it consists of vector 1. So vector 1 is 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Up to here is vector 1, and then 2 to 7, which is going to be 6, negative 1 here. 6, negative 1, 8, 2, 8, 2, and it's going to combine it here. We also can get the same result, but transpose it to create a vector which is vertical. This method is used in MATLAB programming frequently, and you will see a lot of programs like this. Now we can also add to this one with the fourth vector. So let's call vector 4 equals, starting from, let's go with linspace from 1 to, let's go 9, and how many? Let's go with 5. All right, so I created a new vector, which is vector 4, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements linearly spaced. Now I want to combine it to the vector I already had. So I go vector 3 equals vector 1, vector 2, and now vector 4. Okay, if I do that and then transpose it, you will see that I added a new vector here. How about the sum of vector 3? Pretty easy. Max of vector 3. Minimum. I just try to review some parts with it together like that. Okay, so it's really easy that you can work with different vectors and combine them to see how they're created.